Welcome back to another shit video and the camera's bust. Right, it's working, finally. Okay. Woo. Yeah, so that was a great start to the video. Today's video, we are in Ben's van. Been on the road now for, what, 4 hours?
Many days.
Many days. Been on the road for about 4 hours now. Set off at about 7 o'clock this morning. It's now like 11. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, yeah, 4 hours. My maths is great. We are down in Kent. And today we're going to pick up a new engine for the S14. Woo! Celebration! I won't say anything just yet, but I'll reveal it when we get it. Something like that. I don't know. Yeah. We're only about 20 minutes away, 20 minutes, half an hour?
22 minutes.
22 minutes away.
Trying not to crash into motorbikes.
Yeah. Trying not to kill people.
You crazy cunt.
Oh shit! Right, anyway, yeah, about 22 minutes away, so we'll try and do some sort of like video of the engine when we get down there. But for now, bye, I suppose.
Bye.
Literally about to get kidnapped and raped in a barn.
I'm so scared, Jack.
Literally in the middle of nowhere. Sat-navs have just taken us like crazy routes everywhere. This is insane.
But we have to walk from here.
Yeah. Get out and work. Right.
That's a shit bin, yeah?
Oh my god. Look at this. Right, we've picked the engine up. Currently sat at Peterborough Services. Just been for a nice burrito. You know, some noodles. Noodles. So I've got the engine. It's right here, sat next to me. So, might come as a bit of a shock for people considering what happened with the last Saab engine, but we've done it again. Another Saab. It's the right one this time though. A proper one. So, if we have a look. I don't think I'll be able to show you because it's in back. It's really cramped. Right. Fucking hell. I'm gonna die. Right, this is the 204 engine, so it's like the actual one with the mounts. If you look down there, there's little stubby bits that are sticking out. Woo. Therefore, rear wheel drive mounts. And on this side, we're gonna go, where is it? I think it's up here somewhere. I don't know. It's like out of the way. So yeah, this one is actually going to work. Very excited. How do you, Ben?
I'm very excited.
Ben's ecstatic. So yeah, that's the it's the second engine reveal. It's a Saab again, but it will work this time. I promise. Yeah, we'll get back, drop the engine off, maybe have another quick look around it, and then pack up everything I need to go to the blasters. Blasting, and then that's going to be it for at least the next week, so I'm off to Vegas. Right, anyway, we're going to hit the road, so catch you in a bit.
And you
There's been some right weird noises coming from back at that, and we're pretty much home now. But yeah, we've oh my god, brightness. Right, yeah, so there's some really weird noises, so we're going to check out the back and just make sure the engine's not fallen over and died. Open sesame? What was it then?
Yeah.
Ah, no. Is it the engine crane? The wood?
No.
Everything's cool. Let's go.
Yeah, the wood might have fallen off the side.
Oh, yeah.
The wood might have fallen off the side there, don't you?
It's a bit of wood that fell over, so nothing to worry about. Let's get back to the garage.
Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
Saab version 2 is now in the workshop. Oh, I'm keeping that bit of wood. Yeah, so we got it in, got it all laid out on the pallet, just like the previous one. It does look exactly the same, but as you'll see, it has no eco power gainless on it, so it's definitely a new engine. Yeah, that's pretty much as it's staying now until I get back from Vegas next weekend. I don't know when we're going to actually start doing any work on this. We'll have to wait and see. But we've pretty much got everything. I was worrying in the van, thinking that I didn't have the MAF and a few other little bits and bobs, but it is actually all here. I think the only thing I need is there's like a pressure controller, I think it's that, I don't know. It's for the turbo, it's all the vacuum lines and everything like that, and the actuator, wastegate actuator on the turbo. But it is all there. Everything is there. It's just the wiring to do, so basically this plug here, that's for the ECU wiring, and then this little bit that's all been chopped, that needs wiring up to relays and power and stuff like that, and we should be able to get the engine running then. The engine actually came with a clutch and flywheel. The guy assured me that the clutch that's in there will be able to handle the power. He said should be around 300 horsepower, but without putting it on a dyno we won't know. So that's one of the first things I want to do, put it on a dyno, figure out what we're actually running on it. But yeah, that clutch should be good for the power, that one down there. And then obviously the Omega bit gearbox, as we were going to do before, that's going on. So I just need a pilot bearing, I do believe. I don't think there's one in there. So yeah, once all that's done, we can have a go at friggin' running it. Running it. So one more thing that I'm doing tonight before I go, because this is the last night before Vegas, is just squaring away this subframe real quick. That's my old subframe, but because this one is so rotten and horrible, I decided to just send that away for blasting and then paint it up real nice, because it should be all strong and not full of rot and holes. So that needs to be, I need to get the bushes out of there for the diff bushes. Then another thing I'm going to do is just quickly take the bottom arms off of the rear end bits here, knock all the bushes out of them, and then they can also go for blasting. So by the time I get back from Vegas, fingers crossed, all that should be done and back, and I can look at painting up all the rear end stuff and getting it fitted back into the car, ready for engine sizing up, test fitting, and prop shaft shiz maniz. It's been a long day, hasn't it?
It's been a long day.
Very long day, so
I'm very much tired.
very much tired. So that is the day over. It was a very productive day up until the point where I was trying to get the bushes out of this arm and ended up bending it. So fortunately Ben's got some spares he's going to give to me. He's kind like that.
Team spares.
Because he's got Wise Fabio.
Hopefully now.
So yeah, that's the end of the day. That's the end of the video. But good news, great news. Saab V2 coming to a cinema near you soon. So don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and
What else do you do on YouTube? I don't know.
fuck this.
Just
Bye.
watch it loads of times.
Yeah, views, comments, subs, do it all. Anyway, cheers for watching. We will see you again.